Hello, Paul Case here. Welcome to Case Ranch. It's Saturday, October 19th, and I'm up here at the hayfield. We were going to bale this again, but the ground's so stupid wet. We're down here in October. It's probably not going to dry out before we ever get to bale it. I had some hay parked here since we cut it off the first time and had it sold. And he got all of it hauled home. And so I've been using my old Yeller tractor loaded with. And so today you're going to get something from me that you usually don't get. You're going to get a joke. Do you know what happens if you play a country and western song backwards? The guy in the song gets his truck back and his wife back, and he gets his house back, and he gets his dog back. So today I've come up here to get my tractor back. Y'all probably wondering, what in the world are you doing, Paul? Well, I'm gonna get my tractor back. I'm gonna take this old Yeller tractor home. And there's numerous ways that you can get your tractor back, but the way we're going to do it today is by leasing the four-wheeler. Yeah, that's a pretty sensitive tow hitch. It's good you got brakes, so you don't have to worry about it coming apart. Now, if old Yeller will just start, had just a sprinkling of rain last night. Oh, look at that, would you? I think he loaded the last hay out of here after dark last night. He's afraid it'd rain and he wouldn't get it. There'd be a lot of hay here if I could get on the ground to bale it. But if you look right here in his tracks, and we're up on the dry part of the field, you can see where he made some cuts there. Bale wagon. His little bale wagon has 4 tires, so it ain't happening. Dakota's cows are going to get to eat the rest of this. But anyway, that's what happens when you play a country and western song backwards. Is you get your car back, your house back, your dog back, your truck back, and your wife back. Today I've come up here just to get my tractor back. Around here kind of used to seeing me do this, but not always. Today it wouldn't have been hard to do, but I'm not always able to get me a ride back home. So I figured out what I could do to make it, and that's to tow my four-wheeler behind my tractor. Hopefully it don't get all wadded up before I get back there. That tractor likes to coast backwards a little bit as it's sitting there. So, I'm going to get my tractor back. How about that? Thanks for watching my videos. We'll catch you on the next one. On to the next one.